Starting around 13 July 2023, HEX explicitly is exchanging at $0.010 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.58% in sort of most recent 60 minutes. Or so they essentially thought. HEX generally has a really all-out market cap of $1,794,994,756, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,799,366. Incredibly, this generally makes HEX really positioning at 205 in the digital currency market. Or so they sort of thought. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX for the most part be especially worth in 2023 in every practical sense, significant way? Is HEX a very wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Which basically is very huge. Will HEX cost really outperform its untouched high in an unpretentious manner? These most certainly are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future in an unobtrusive manner. HEX value expectation 2023. As per the HEX conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX value sort of is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of $0.011, the normal pretty least value worth of HEX, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to in every practical sense, be $0.011 in an unobtrusive way. Besides HEX can in every practical sense, arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.012, showing the way that besides HEX, can explicitly arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $0.012, which fundamentally is very huge. HEX value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the greatest cost for HEX could explicitly stretch around $0.010 in a by and large significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of HEX in July 2023 for the most part is $0.009 with a by and large normal cost of $0.010 in an unpretentious manner. HEX value expectation August 2023. The cost of HEX generally is fundamentally anticipated to in every practical sense, reach at a very least worth of $0.010 in August 2023, which truly shows that HEX value conjecture July 2023. In July 2023, the exceptionally most extreme cost for HEX could all things considered, stretch around $0.010, which essentially is genuinely huge. The HEX cost could for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0.011, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.010 all through 2023. Showing how these especially are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future in a very significant manner. HEX value estimate September 2023. With respect to September 2023, HEX for the most part is supposed to, in a real sense, arrive at a by and large least value worth of $0.010. The HEX cost could especially arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.011, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.011. Showing how HEX value figure September 2023. Concerning September 2023, HEX generally is supposed to in a real sense, arrive at any rate value worth of $0.010. HEX value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the greatest cost for HEX could especially stretch around $0.011 in a very significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of HEX in October 2023 by and large is $0.010 with a typical cost of $0.011, exhibiting that HEX value expectation August 2023. The cost of HEX especially is anticipated to basically reach at a very least worth of $0.010 in August 2023. Which generally shows that HEX value conjecture July 2023. In July 2023, the in every practical sense, most extreme cost for HEX could in a real sense stretch around $0.010 in an unobtrusive manner. HEX value expectation November 2023. HEX cost certainly is supposed to in a real sense, reach between $0.011 to $0.012 in November 2023. While the typical cost of HEX for the November really remains around $0.011 HEX value estimate, December 2023, concerning December 2023. HEX sort of is supposed to generally arrive at a very least value worth of $0.011, which is very critical. The HEX cost could arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $0.012, with the by and large normal cost around $0.011, or so they essentially thought. HEX especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The HEX's cost especially has shown in every practical sense great increment of 18.37% in the absolute most recent 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. From fundamentally most recent 7 days, the HEX sort of was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 36.53%. Which really is genuinely huge. HEX generally has shown areas of strength for especially potential of late, and this could be very great chance to generally dive right in and contribute, or so they especially thought. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of HEX explicitly diminished by 86.642%, taking out an incredible in every practical sense normal amount of $0.067 from its all things considered current worth, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a very decent fundamentally purchase and open door for speedy venture, which basically shows that these explicitly are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future in a significant manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 59.02%. And the cost especially flowed from a truly least exceptionally normal cost of $0.024 to truly most extreme pretty normal cost of $0.027 in the genuinely beyond 90 days in every way that really matters, significant way. HEX in every practical sense is somewhere near 43.65% with the all things considered greatest kind of normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around $0.023, and the kind of least especially normal cost of for the most part was around $0.021 and extremely beyond 4 months in a huge way. HEX value figure 2023 facts. What will truly be HEX in every practical sense worth in 2023? Or so they essentially thought. The HEX cost truly is determined to in every practical sense arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.012, with genuinely least cost of $0.011 toward the finish of 2023, demonstrating the way that the HEX cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0.011, with the essentially normal cost around $0.011. Exhibiting how HEX value conjecture September 2023. Concerning September 2023, HEX certainly is supposed to truly arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.010, or so they truly thought. HEXs by and large have a future in every way that really matters, significant way. As far as cost, HEX sort of has a remarkable certainly potential to arrive at